What's up, everyone? We're back doing another unboxing video. I realized that it's been over a year since I've last done an unboxing video on this channel, so we're going back to the basics, where my first ever video was doing AirPod unboxing. So today we've got the AirPod Pro 3s. Got them from Best Buy on sale. They had I think it's 30% off or something that they were going for. I think it came down to from 300 to $275, and then plus some tax. So they come in this box, no packaging on them, as Apple likes to keep them minimalistic. Also, I'm gonna keep this video just around the 2-3 minute mark, because I realize that everyone's got a TikTok attention brain span and can't focus on things. So I'm gonna keep it short and quick. Here they are. They look like the AirPod variation, 1s and 2s, but a couple key differences here is that you get 8 hours of battery life, which is more than the previous generations, and it's also, I think it's sweat and water resistant. So you could, if you really wanted to, you could take a shower with these. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open these. They come with the 2 flaps that Apple has on all their products. So I'm gonna open them. Man, it is good to be doing another unboxing video. I realize I actually like doing these. So we're here, open. It says designed by Apple in California, and here's some documentation. So one key difference, guys, between the 2s and the 3s, it actually doesn't come with the wire. So if you guys were expecting a lightning cable to come with the AirPod 3s, you're not going to get them. So here's just some documentation. It says AirPod Pros, and then I think these actually come with 4 sizes of tips, as opposed to the last few generations. Those came with less tips. I don't know which one's the new one. It comes in 4 different sizes: XS, extra small, small, large, and medium. And then I'll show you guys the tips in a second. And I have some instructions here for how to control the thing. So anyways, that's all the documentation. So it's gonna get you up and running with the actual pods. And let me show you guys here we are. So what they look like. It's in packaging right here. So just as the first AirPods, the packaging came in, it's the same type of packaging. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clip this off. It's like a little Apple diaper. Man, it is hard to get off though. There we go. Okay, cool. Here's wow, these are, you might need a case to keep them clean, but here we are. As the white can get scuffed pretty easily. And here's it looks like it's already charged, actually ready to sync to the iPhone. Here they are. And then I'm going to show you guys the little tips before we wrap it up. Here are the tips. Yeah, so yeah, 4 different sizes. Goes from extra small, small, medium, and then I think small, extra small, small, and then large. So the pods already have the large, or the medium, attached to them. Anyways, sorry I went over the 2-3 minute mark I was hoping to hit for. But that's the AirPod Pro 3's unboxing. Comment what you guys think. Would you guys get them? And yeah, actually, one pro tip: when you're taking off the head of the actual pod, make sure these are prone to ripping. So make sure you grab at the head of the base and then take them off to whatever size you want to change them to. But yeah, we'll catch you guys on the next video. As always, like and subscribe, and looking forward to seeing you guys on the next one.